Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, with the filming I've been doing recently, I bet you can tell what I'm going to be putting out. That's right, another whiskey and hardtack review. This time, it's their Sleepwalker whipped beard butter. Now, I have to preface it this way. I got this a while ago. I haven't used as much of it as I'd like to, but because I have it, you guys know I like to review the products, and when I did my homework, like I usually do to write down all the fun stuff, yeah, Whipped is no longer on their web store, so I don't know if they're offering it anymore, but because I got it, I'm going to review it. Now, for those of you familiar with whiskey and hardtack, please skip ahead about a minute, minute and a half. Then we're going to get right into the fun of the video. For you guys who are really clueless on whiskey and hardtack, you're going to get a little education right here. You can find them at www whiskey and hardtack. I'm going to leave that right down below in the description, don't worry, .com. They are the baby company of sweet tea and biscuits. Basically, one's a female skincare line, another is like a men's grooming line. So you got both ends of the spectrum covered. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Landenberg, Pennsylvania. Kind of not far from like where, I grew up in Carlisle, but still. But yeah, the idea got started basically in 2018 when Holly and Don, her wonderful husband, were talking. Don came up with a name, and Holly went, that's a winner right there. She registered the domain. They opened the doors for business in May of 2019. Been selling some awesome products ever since. You've heard me mention her name a couple times now. Holly, she's the boss. She's the CEO, and she's just one awesome, and we're just going to censor that right there. You never know when kids are watching. Don't want them hearing a bad word, especially thinking I may be talking derogatory about Holly. Well, I'll have so many other opportunities to do that here in this video. Gotcha, Holly. I love you. Guys, seriously, I love her to death. Now, it is, oh wow, this one's a 2-ouncer. Okay, so this one, when I got it, was a 2-ouncer. Now, one of the things with Holly that she's very, very passionate about is she's accurate about the weight count. Lots of companies, when they weigh the stuff, they won't give you the internal weight. Yeah, I know, look at that butter nipple in there. Like I said, I haven't used it as much as I should. Holly gives you the amount that's on the inside, not just with the container. Like the 4 ounces, you're only getting like 3.85. And because, well, I didn't write this down a while ago. Well, wait. 56 grams, I guess it is. We'll just go right there. Holly, you're going to make fun of me? I know, this one's not out there for a while. I think your other ones are 4 ounces. But still. Okay, now the scent profile on this thing is lavender and vanilla. It's really, really, truly designed to help, promote rest, promote peace, promote calmness, okay? It didn't work as well for me as I hoped it would, but still. Like I said, this is not on their web store, but you can find a 3.85 full-bodied butter for $24.95, and that's as of September 15th, 2020. Now, the ingredients in this guy are vastly different than the one that's probably sitting out there right now, but I'm seeing how I'm talking about this one. We're going to talk about this guy. There we go. Shea butter, organic coconut oil, organic jojoba oil, fragrance, and tapioca starch. Never seen that in one before, but man, it felt good in my beard. I will not lie. It made my beard really, really soft when I put it in there. Had a great light hold, and the beard really responded to it. So, yeah. Oh, totally forgot that this was whipped. This was that in there. Okay. Now, I do love their packaging. They say, especially right here, recycle this container handsome. It is a recyclable container, but I like the fact that handsome there. It's part of Holly's humor, and they are that phthalate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. But when she says cruelty-free, I know she tests stuff out on Don, her husband. So how cruelty-free is it, Holly? Let's get real here for a moment, okay? Seriously, is Don curled up in the coat in a corner while you're going, it puts the oil on the skin, put the oil on the skin? Can't resist, guys. I love Holly to death. I really, truly do. Now, to use it, it's really, really simple, guys. Beard butter is more for your beard hair than it is for your skin. It's going to get in there, give that hair all that great nourishment that it's going to need to keep growing beautiful, not be all gnarly and nasty on you. It's more for the hair. It's also going to provide you a very light hold. Lots of people use it at nighttime. I've used it at various times throughout the day. Yeah, it still has that great, seriously, lavender smell. All right, now because it's whipped, it has a very different texture than poured butter does. It's more frothy, it's more light, it's more... I've heard people go, well, you need twice as much. I've never experienced that where I need to use it twice as much as I do poured butter. I never have. But hopefully you can see, you just barely touch it and it pulls it out. We're going to use that as the demonstration purpose today. Got to seal up the goodness. Basically, you get the amount you need. And what I usually do is go from about that point to about right there for my beard. Seriously, drag it right there, get that amount, put it in the other hand. But man, look at this. Seriously, that's how quick it breaks down. Rub them together like you would with beard oil. Massage it right into your beard, up everything, get it every which way you need to coat as much hair as possible, and groom it out. Sorry, I currently have something I'm testing in beard right now, so that's why I'm not applying it directly to my beard. Sorry about that, Holly. Okay, so I know this one's a little bit different because I just really went, oh my god, I totally forgot. Whipped butter, smaller container, everything else. I threw myself filming my own video, doing my homework, going, yeah, I got this, yeah, everything's great. Then I filmed my video and went, ooh, god, nothing's that perfect. But still. Alright. So we're going to just move on, and hopefully this video's not that bad. So, we're at that point of the video where I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used their whipped butter before when they had it out there? How about their full-bodied butter? How are you using that, and are you having successes? Are you having failures? Have you used this one? Do you have anything bad or good or whatever to say about it? Share it down below. Seeing how we're all one big bearded family out there, let's just compare notes, Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I just want to say, man, I'm really messing this up, but I gotta leave this video here because I always leave my screw-ups. For you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thanks so much for watching this weird one, alright? You've seen me really screw up in this video, but I'm going to leave it there for the comedic factor, okay? And plus the fact that Holly can make fun of me, which I know is going to happen in an Instagram message real soon after posting this. I just know it. I can feel it. I can feel her out there going, ha ha ha, Chris, you're stupid. And in my ear, I'm going to hear, ha ha ha. Alright. Guys, if Holly doesn't do it, I'd actually be surprised. She's a really good friend, and, she breaks balls with the best of them. That's the only way I can say it. That's like the ultimate compliment when your buddies are breaking your balls. You're in good. All right. So like I said, it is a weird one, and I just thank you for the time you gave me. Hopefully I'm earned a lot more of it today. If not, I understand, okay? So for you first-timers and long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe to the channel, my question's why. I probably know why after this video, but still, why don't you leave me a comment right down below, what I can do to earn your subscription. Let's see how we can change the course of the history of this channel. After you guys have done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a card for, a card, my god, a big channel symbol. I need caffeine. Big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a video, hopefully not as horrible as this one. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. Mercifully. This one's done. Thank you so much for watching my really weird take on Sleepwalker whipped beard butter from Whiskey and Hardtack. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are being safe out there, and thank God we're done.